This is how to perfectly whip non-dairy whipping cream. Usually it's stored in the freezer. Thaw it until it comes to a slushy consistency like this. Keep in mind there's a difference between dairy and non-dairy whipping cream. For whipping non-dairy cream, you don't need a cold bowl, which is a common misconception. Make sure your bowl and your blades are moisture free before actually starting. This is a hand mixer which is essential when you're whipping cream. Otherwise you can use a hand whisk, but then by the end of the process you'll have big arms like me. When you whip cream, it works like this. The fat and stabilizers expand when you whip air into it, which makes it double in size. And my balloon has diarrhea. Start at a slow speed. While you're whipping, the icicles will start softening. After like 30 to 40 seconds, once the icicles start melting, increase the speed. There are two consistencies you need to look for. One is a soft peak and a stiff peak. This is your soft peak consistency, where the peak sort of bends. If you continue whipping, this becomes a stiff peak. If you want to frost the cake and add color it at soft peak consistency. Never let the whipped cream stay out in room temperature, otherwise it might dry out. Always keep it covered and in the fridge if you're not using it. The fridge temperature is supposed to be 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. We've now achieved the stiff peak consistency. Can you see how the whipped cream is not falling off my spatula? See how the peak is holding itself? This is your stiff peak consistency. There are 3 ways to store whipped cream. This is method number 1. You use a cling wrap and make the bowl airtight. Method number 2 is to pack in an airtight container. And your final method is using just the cling wrap. Once packed, store in the freezer and thaw before using. Use gel or liquid to color your whipped cream. Once your cream is whipped, you can put it in a piping bag or frost your cakes directly. If you like this masterclass on how to whip cream, make sure to like and subscribe.